Looking to switch up your Warzone mobile control UI but not sure where to start? No worries. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, all from the comfort of your iPhone. Let's dive right in without delay. First things first, open up Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Then, once you're in the lobby, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will bring up the settings menu. Next, tap on Controls from this menu. Now, select the Customize HUD option. From here, you have a variety of options to tweak your controls. You can move buttons around, resize them, adjust their transparency, and more. To move a button, simply press and hold it, then drag it to your desired location on the screen. If you want to change the size of a button, tap on it once, then adjust the size slider accordingly. You can also adjust the visibility of buttons by using the visibility slider. Slide left to decrease visibility and right to increase it. Once you're satisfied with your layout, tap the Done button to save your changes. If you have made too many adjustments and want to start over, simply tap the Reset button located next to the Exit and Done buttons. Then confirm by tapping Reset, and your layout will revert to the default settings. And there you have it. That's how you can customize your control layout in Warzone Mobile directly from your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more Warzone Mobile tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.